Hello, good morning. Welcome to Sarojini Smart Learning. So, thank you for watching my videos and supporting me. And for the last few episodes, we are doing videos on basic mathematics for the primary section. So, sometimes these calculations definitely will help for the middle school and higher school also. And even for the competitive exams, who are preparing for the competitive exams, for them also it is useful for you. So hope you will enjoying the program, and we'll go step by step manner. So in this episode we are going to do subtraction. In the previous episode we are dealing with addition of kilograms and grams. Now we are going to deal with subtraction. So here subtract 17 kg 650 grams from 35 kgs and 128 grams. Now see the question, if you understand it, we have to subtract 17 kg 650 grams from this number. You have to read again, this number to be subtracted from where? From this number, that is 35 kg 128 grams minus 17 kg 650 grams. Now, do you think, is it possible to get cancel 650 grams from 128 grams? No. So then what to be done? We will check now. Here, first 8 minus 0 will be 8. Now 2 minus 5 is not possible, right? When it is not possible, borrow, that will become 12. So 12 minus 5 is 7. Now here you left with 0. Now do you think 0 minus 6 is possible? No, which is not possible. So we can borrow here 1. Why? Because from 35 kgs, if I borrow 1 kg, so that will become 1000 grams. 1 kg is called 1000 grams. So already 128 grams were there. If I add 1000 grams to it, it will become 1128 grams. So now we are subtracting 650 from 1128. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay. Now here you will have 4 because already we took 1 kg there. So again, if you take 14 minus 7 is 7 kg. Sorry, this is gram. And you left with 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So the left out answer is 17 kg 478 grams. So in other words, if you don't want to make it a clumsy way, so kilograms and grams. So 35 128 minus 17,650. Simple subtraction of the numbers. So this is 8. 12 minus 5 is 7. Here 0 left. And if you borrow 10 minus this is 4. And here 4 left. 14 minus 7 is 7. 2 left. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 17 kgs 478 grams is the answer. Suppose if you get a doubt whether the answer is right or wrong, because we are borrowing from kgs. So how to find out? That I can show you. Here you just check these two by adding 17,650 plus 17,478. On adding these two, 0 plus 8 is 8, 7 plus 5 is 12, 1, 2, 4 plus 6 is 10 plus 1, 11, 1 and 1, and 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 1, 15, 1, 5, 1, 2, 3. So, which is coming 35 kgs and 128 grams. Here it is. Or there is one more possibility to find out this one. Suppose 17,650 plus 17,478. On adding, this is 34 kgs, right? And this one is 8, this is 12, this is 11 grams. So here 1128 grams. So how to convert into kilograms? So 1128 divided by 1000. Already we did. So this is 1.128 grams. So 1 is nothing but 1 kg and 128 grams. So this 1 kg, if you add to 34, you will get 35 kg, 128 grams. So this is the simple way of doing subtraction for kilograms and grams. Okay. Now we will check one more example here with the subtraction. Suppose 12 kg 658 grams from 17 kg 6 grams. Suppose if I give, we are going to subtract this number or this weight from where? From this one. So 17 kg 6 grams. What I told, whenever you get a single digit, you must write in the 1000 format grams. That means it is 006 grams. This is the way you are going to write. Minus 12 kg 658 grams. Now as you check the second method, kilograms or grams. So this is 17 kg 006 minus 12 kg 658 grams. Okay. Now do you think 658 grams can be subtracted from 6 grams? No, we have to borrow. So what you are going to borrow? That is very, very important. Now here already 17 kg is there. So if I want to take out 1 kg, so this will become 16 kgs plus 1 kg, that is 17 kg. This 1 kg again you convert into gram, that is 1000 grams, isn't it? So what will happen? I'll show you. So 17 kgs will become 16 kgs, right? And this 1000 will go and add to this one. So 1006. So that will become 1006 grams. Okay? From that, we are going to subtract 12 kg 658 grams. And you have to write in a proper manner using the place values. Then only you get the right answer. So this grams will remain same. 6 minus 8 is not possible. We have to borrow. This will become 1699. So 16 minus 8 is 8. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 6 is 3. And this is 0. And here 16 minus 12 is 4. So the final answer is 4 kgs 348 grams is the right answer. So here what we are doing here, converting kgs to grams first. But here the grams where we cannot take out. So what we are doing, we are borrowing 1 kg, one not number. It's 1 kg. 1 kg means 1000 grams. So only 6 grams will become 1006 grams. Let us check whether this answer right or wrong. Let us check the answer is right. What is that first one? 12 kg 658 grams. 4 kg 348 grams. Okay? This is 8 one. Now if you add these 2 grams, we'll check this is 16. This is 6 plus 4 10. And this is 7 plus 3 10. And this is 16. So 16 kg 1006 grams is coming. Here you can split as 1000 plus 6 grams. So 1000 grams is nothing but 1 kg plus 6 grams. 1 kg if you add to this one, you will get 16 plus 1, that is 17 kg and 6 grams. So which is the right answer. So hope you understood this one.